Hello everyone, my name is Marianne. Welcome to my little country kitchen. Today we are going to be making some sausage rolls out of pizza crust, some sausage, and it's not in the recipe, but I'm going to add some cheese since I have it leftovers. Let's get going. Oh, you see my pretty after? Let me show you the before, what it looked like. Okay, fridge gone. This is the beautiful before pictures. And I'm going to be putting up this to cover that hideous 70s green, and that will be gone soon. Before, in a little bit you'll see after. And this is the after, yes. New fridge, because the other one died on us. See the pretty flowers, the shiny flowers on top? And I added a second shelf for all of spices and cute little egg holders. There's only 6 right there for now, but we'll see if I like it up there and if I could add more if I want to. Okay, let's get to cooking. This is a recipe from Roots and Refuge. She makes it for her kids every Christmas. Only difference is she used crescent rolls, and I wanted to try this instead. Stretch this out a bit. Thinner. She just grabbed raw sausage. That's what I'm doing. This is from the pig that we had butchered. We didn't raise it. It was just a local butcher. All you do is add sausage right on top and raw. How easy is that? Definitely could have used 2 sausage rolls, or just made this a little thinner. Good to know. It's okay, we'll have a really cheesy layer in the middle. End pieces will be a little sad, but that's okay. Yummy. And the oven is preheated to 400 degrees. And I'm going to bake it for 18 minutes because that's what the pizza roll called for. I was going to add pepperonis in these two end pieces since they don't have any meat, but it's all gone, so I'm going to stick some bacon in there instead. Like the bacon ones more. Who knows? Let's see. I'll use this up. Okay, we'll be back in 18 minutes. No. Okay, pull these out of the oven. I had to pull out the small ones out because they were getting toasty about 20 minutes ago, but I had to cook these ones for 50 minutes, so twice as long as I thought they were going to be. I'm going to let them cool and then we can taste. Or actually, this one doesn't have very much meat on it, but I'll let these cool. Quit it. Just a minute, Poppy, Gingy. Okay. Tasting. I have a piece with some sausage. Edge piece. I can see how it would definitely work better with the crescent rolls because it's a softer dough. This is pretty dense. It's okay. Still good though. We'll see what Mr. Little Country Kitchen thinks. Here's a full sausage roll. Let's see. Took a long time to bake, like 50 minutes, but totally worth it. The cheese made it salty enough I didn't have to add any salt or pepper. That's really good. It's a great meal. Quick, fast, well, quick to put together. Longer in the oven than I thought, but still yummy. Next time I'll try the crescent rolls and see how we like that. What do you think?
It's actually really good.
It's only 3 ingredients. It's a pizza roll, sausage, and Parmesan cheese. Yummy. Like Jess made them with crescent rolls, but I decided the pizza roll. It took a lot longer to cook, but I'm gonna try the crescent roll next time.
That'd be really good with like egg on top of it.
Thanks. Good.
That's
Like
really
egg
good.
wash.
Yeah, thank you.
Thumbs up. We'll make it again.
Yeah.
Hello, part 2. I'm going to make the sausage rolls, but this time with the crescent rolls as originally in the recipe, so hopefully it won't take that long. But I have another little secret I'm gonna try. We'll see if it works. Okay, let's get into it. secret with the sausage now is I want to leave it in here and just whack it as flat as possible. Rolling pin. I like this rolling out method way better because I was able to put this together in half the time. It's only about 3.5, 4 minutes. Pretty awesome. You try it. Now we can size it. Whoopsie. There we go. Work like a charm. Just need to scoot it over. Fill in the holes, because we don't want holes like I had last time. There we go. Now it's completely full edge to edge. The pizza dough took 50 minutes to bake. Let's see how long this one will take. Quickest dinner ever. Really great. Or you could eat it for breakfast too. There we go. Okay, throw it in the oven for 20 minutes. We'll be back. They look delicious. Let's let them cool off and then we will taste and compare which one we like better. Okay, let me try the crescent roll version.
I like that a lot better.
You like this one better? Softer?
Well, it's different. It's like, this is a much softer version of it. The other one, if you want something hearty and chewy.
Yeah, the other one didn't reheat.
This is like
the
light.
other one didn't reheat very well.
Yeah, this is really good.
Yeah, this is yummy. I'll definitely keep doing it like this then. Okay, Jess, you were right. These ones are the bomb. I did it right this time. Boom. Like my bear says. Thanks for the recipe, Jess. Thanks for joining me, guys. We'll see you on my next one. Bye.